Hello, marhaban everyone. Welcome to a new video from Learn Arabic with Hamid. I love and I like. These are two verbs in English that have slight difference in meaning. Do we have the same difference in Arabic? So follow along with me in this video to know. Okay, I love and I like. We know from English that I love and I like. There are slight differences between these. So if you say I like something, it doesn't necessarily be the same thing as I love something. So love has more emphasis than like, and love has more depth than like. When we say I love or I like, we just say أنا أحب. Okay, أنا أحب in Arabic. So أنا أحب, this verb means both, means love and means like. And depending on the sentence, depending on the context, you can feel the difference. So it's just one verb. So أنا أحب, أنا أحبك, I love you. And this also expresses the love relation between a male and a female. So أنا أحب. Or if you love something to do, it's also أنا أحب. So أنا أحب أن ألعب. If you also love persons, like in the feeling of love that you love your family, you love your friends, you love your surrounding, it's أنا أحب as well. So usually أنا أحب, it's just one verb that's used to express this feeling. It doesn't matter if you love something or if you love someone or if you love a certain meaning. So it just I love. أنا أحب. أنا أحب. For example, we may say أنا أحب الموسيقى. أنا أحب الموسيقى. So I love music. I love music. Or you can say I like music. أنا أحب الموسيقى. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. If you say to somebody I like you, or you say to, let us say, if a male say or a man says to a woman I love you, it's different than I like you. Okay, it's different than I like you. I like you, it's less, it's more casual. Let's say this person is not as intimate, but I love you, it has intense feeling, it's more. Okay, but in Arabic, in modern standard Arabic, you say just أنا أحب, أنا أحبك, and from the context, from the relationship degree that you have with a person, or from the intensity of feelings that you have towards this person, it is either I love or I like. Okay. Also, it's very important to refer to the Egyptian Arabic word for أنا أحب. أنا أحب becomes in Egyptian أنا أحب or أنا بحب. أنا بحب or أنا أحب. So it's either way. You say أنا أحبك, أنا بحبك, but بحب is more, let us say, more usual to say. So أنا بحبك, I love you, أنا بحبك. أنا بحبك, I love you for female. So أنا بحبك for male, بحبك for female. Okay, بحب, أنا بحب, أنا بحب. So instead of أنا أحب in modern standard Arabic, we say أنا بحب in Egyptian Arabic. So that's exactly the difference that we see between the modern standard Arabic and Egyptian Arabic. And as I said before, there's no difference in there's only one word, only one verb, أحب, that express both like or love. Okay, that was a short discussion about love and like and how they are translated into Egyptian Arabic and modern standard Arabic. Hope you like this video, and for more videos just stick to this channel and follow up with me, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot and see you in future videos.